Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter P. To write uppercase P or big P, start at the top and make a line down. Then go back to the top and go around to the middle. Let's try it again. Down. Around to the middle. That's the letter P. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase p or small p. Start in the middle and make a line down. Then go back up to the middle and go around to the bottom. Let's try it again. Down. Around to the bottom. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter P. Next, let's see what words start with the letter P. P for pen. P for panda. P for pear. Say it again with me. Pen, panda, pear. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter Q, please subscribe to EllieFun.